Close your eyes and think about your favorite YouTuber. Think about the shots that make you stop scrolling. The ones with that perfect, creamy background blur. The colors that look like a high-end movie, and the focus that never, ever misses. For a long time, getting that look meant spending $3,000 on a full-frame setup that weighed as much as a brick. Or you settle for your phone, which is good enough until the sun goes down or you need to zoom in. In 2022, Nikon tried to bridge that gap with the original Z30. It was a bold move. They took out the viewfinder, added a flip screen and said, "This is for the creators." And in many ways it was. But it wasn't perfect. We were stuck with a 20-megapixel sensor from 2019. We didn't have in-body image stabilization. And while the colors were beautiful, the competition from Sony and Canon was moving faster. But as we sit here in March 2026, the silence from Nikon's headquarters in Tokyo has finally been broken. The leaks aren't just whispers anymore, they are a flood. The Nikon Z30 II isn't just a minor refresh. It is a calculated, aggressive strike at the heart of the creator market. We are talking about the jump to a 26-megapixel partially stacked sensor. The arrival of the X7 processor. The same brain found in the flagship Z9, and a video spec sheet that makes every other sub-$1,000 camera look like a toy. If you've been waiting to start your channel, or if you're a pro looking for a B-cam that actually fits in your pocket, you need to hear this. Because the Z30 II isn't just a camera, it is the moment Nikon officially takes over the vlogging world. Today we are diving into the red influence on Nikon's new video science, the 6K oversampled 4K revolution, and the one feature that might finally make gimbals obsolete. Stay with me, because if these specs hold true, the Nikon Z30 II is the only camera you will need for the next 5 years. Let's start with the brain and the heart. The X7 and the new sensor. For the last few years, Nikon's entry-level cameras have been running on the X6. It was a great engine, but it was reaching its limits. By moving the X7 into the Z30 II, Nikon is essentially putting a Ferrari engine into a Mini Cooper. Why does this matter for you? 2 words: subject acquisition. The X7 allows for deep learning autofocus. We aren't just talking about eye tracking. We are talking about a camera that can distinguish between humans, dogs, cats, birds, cars, motorcycles, bicycles, trains, and planes. For a vlogger, this is the peace of mind button. You can walk, run, or turn your back to the camera, and the Z30 II will stay locked on you like a heat-seeking missile. And then there's the sensor. The leaks suggest a 26.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This is a massive jump from the 20.9 we had before. Not just for the extra resolution, but for the data readout speed. This new sensor architecture significantly reduces rolling shutter. You know that jello effect when you move your camera too fast and the buildings look like they're leaning? That's gone. This makes the Z30 II a legitimate tool for action sports, travel vlogging, and fast-paced street photography. But the real nuclear option is the video quality. In 2026, 4K/30 is the bare minimum. The Nikon Z30 II is rumored to offer 4K/60p with zero crop. Most cameras in this price range